Okay, this is Math Club Part 3, page 8. And they've confronted Loob-Loob the giant. Let's take a panning around here. There's Loob-Loob. Okay, and so the story continues. Who are you? Are you here to take my numbers? Then Adit stepped forward and said, "We are sorry about bothering you. We are looking for a place called Logica. To get there we have to pass through this forest." Loob-Loob, "Logica? Yes, I know of this place. The only way that you can get there is through my math forest. In order to do that, you must answer all of my math questions. If you fail, all of your math energy will belong to me. It will be mine, all mine." Loob-Loob laughed, and it echoed through the forest. And the math club was in shock. There was Des the Divider hiding behind the 9 cane. Everyone was surprised. And yet Loob-Loob laughed loud and long. "Here is what you must do. I will throw my magic numbers in the air. You must find the answers by addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Maybe your math friend watching you now, that means you, people at home, will help the math club solve this problem." And then Loob-Loob started throwing numbers everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, so many numbers were everywhere, going everywhere. The math club wasn't sure what was happening. They were flying everywhere. And Des took the closest number to him, a number 3. And it lifted him high. Adit was so scared that he couldn't bear to look. He closed his eyes. There was Des. There was Adit. There's Kid S with a 6. And Multi trying to get the 9. Please, my math friends at home, readers of this story, people listening to this story, please help us find the answer. Please help us find the answers to all these problems. And then back to Loob-Loob. "Ha! You and the people watching this will never find the answers. Soon all of your math energy will be mine, all mine." And Loob-Loob's voice trembled with delight. Now, people at home, children at home, those that are watching, maybe you can help the math club. We don't want them to lose their math energy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the next picture. And maybe you can help us answer the questions to save the math club and save their energy. The first question, addition. Adit. Now you see Adit's hair glowing. Whenever he adds, it glows. It becomes red and yellow. And there are the questions. 3 plus 3. What does 3 plus 3 equal? Is it 6, 8, or 9? And 5 plus 2. What does 5 plus 2 equal? 7, 9, or 11? And that was Adit. Then there was the subtraction kid. Kid S. Subtraction. There's 8 minus 4. Does 8 minus 4 equal 5, 2, or 4? 7 minus 1. Does 7 minus 1 equal 3, 6 or 5? Can you help Kid S, those that are watching this video? He needs all the help so that he can keep his subtraction powers. Then our friend Multi, multiplication. 6 times 3. Does it equal 18? 8 or 9? 9 times 5. Does that equal 30, 45, or 54? Can you help Multi solve these problems? He needs all the help he can get. And last, number 4, Des the divider. Can you help Des solve his problems? 4 divided by 2. Does it equal 6, 8, or 2? There's the other one. 8 divided by 4. Does it equal 12, 2, or 4? Can you help the divider with these problems? And again, the math energy. They need your help. People who are watching this, they need your help. So I will give you a second to think of the answers. Did you get the right answers? I hope so. Let's see if you help the math club. Let's go to the next page. And then, with a loud voice, Loob-Loobs yelled, "Time is up! You must give me your answers now." The math club looked at each other, uncertain. They felt that their math energy grew stronger. Could it be the people watching them were helping them as well? Added's hair changed colors. It was back to its glowing. Multi's multiplication sign was red hot. He was getting his multiplication energy. Okay, Added said. I know my answers. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 5 plus 2 equals 7. And then, very fast, was Kid S, Subtraction Kid. Yeah, and 8 minus 4 equals 4, and 7 minus 1 equals 6. Am I right, Loob-Loob? Loob-Loob was surprised. He didn't know what to say. Both of them had answered correctly. They were using their math energy. And Loob-Loob responded, yes, your answer is correct, but, And then Multi quickly interrupted. It gets better, Looby. 6 times 3 equals 18, and 9 times 5 equals 45. I'm so cool that I'll even give you a bonus. 3 times 5 equals 15. And with that, Loob-Loob couldn't believe it. Oh no. All my math energy. All my beautiful math energy. You're taking it from me. And then the last one was Des. Small Des sitting quietly, the character made of mint chocolate ice cream. And Des responded to the Loob-Loob. And I believe that 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 8 divided by 4 also equals 2. So says Des the divider. And Loob-Loob couldn't believe it. They had answered all his questions. The math energy, it was mine. But now I feel I'm losing it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the end of part 3. We'll find out what happens to Loob-Loob in the next part. So part 3 is finished, and we'll come back later for the 4th part.